Hello guys!
You should have it
This is
videoed
our
before.
apartment. Oh wow! Ang ganda. Super! Yes! And the toilet with the bathroom. Oh wow! 2 bedroom. Wow! Ang ganda. Meron pa siya. Sala. Wow!
What an experience.
What an experience. Using card for the kid or...
That's open.
Yeah. Anong laman ng ref?
It's all open. I was
Ay.
It's open.
Empty.
Because what it is doing, and then next minute it's
Uy, may libreng milk dito.
Oh my
Phone here.
God. Well, at least they see us. We're all just girls and having a fun.
Yes, have
It's not like
wine.
just
You can
nothing.
cook.
Or else they'll think, oh, they try to rob them.
Yeah. Oh my god.
And he looks scary too.
I think he's a Japanese guy or something. It looked like one of those.
Yeah.
Because his hair was like... And I thought that was the owner. Waiting for us.
Wait for
That's why I yell because... Oh my god! Look scary.
They're not letting us out yet.
Oh, Mary, what are you doing now? Hi guys! Ito po yung apartment namin dito sa Brisbane. Ayan. They call it a trio apartment. Ayan. Meron kang Wi-Fi, password. Ganda siya. Ito yung 1 bedroom ni Madam.
You're right.
There's another room that side. Oh, diba? Welcome to the Brisbane City. Okay, guys, we have to open our apartment. Here we go. Apartment. Dito kami sa Malacca City. Sakay, business class.
Hindi magbuhat.
Oh. Let's go. We got a business class. Hangin sa lasal, guys. Ito na tayo sa Brisbane. Pasta, 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 pasta.
The small bag, the backpack.
Yeah.
No, the backpack, I found it.
We are at the
It's,
Melbourne Airport waiting for
The
our
other hard
flight.
case. Because I have to dig in. I've got the new one. The one that I told you about last time.
That's alright. I don't need that.
Video.
Oh, hey. Yay, we're at the airport. Ayan. Looking, we're going to Jetstar. It's okay because our flight is 1 hour delayed.
Check the gate open.
Jetstar.
8 o'clock.
Oh, it's 8 o'clock.
That's why I